The essential Oriental Princess collection you need to have with you. Oh, and it's going to be this shampoo that you need. It's a shampoo that has capsules that disperse to keep the hair smelling fresh for a long time. And it smells strongly of peach. So for those with easily tangled hair, this one makes it voluminous and strengthens it and also smells. Stick with me. Am I wearing anything? Enhance the fragrance and nourish your hair with this serum. It's a conditioning serum that strengthens your hair. Apply it and it will smell like peach too. Soft and fluffy right off the bat. It means my hair is easy to manage and smells incredibly fragrant like the ultimate hair perfume. Seriously, you have to stop. Next up, this chocolate-scented water-absorbing cream smells so good. A top-selling must-try item. Help maintain the pH balance of the skin exactly to protect and nourish the skin exactly. Letting you feel like someone who has offers water flows downstream. When it was a